Thank you so much for choosing the Diamond Balance Battery Sling for the Apple Vision Pro. You're just a few minutes away from balanced, hands-free Vision Pro comfort. First, check the underside to see which end the battery pouch is on. The battery will be inserted through the diamond cutout on the top side of that end. First, feed the cable through the cutout to the opening on the left side, then push the battery into place and pull the glued seam up around the right corner of the battery so it looks like this. Now flip it over and feed the cable through the small hole just above the charging port opening. Push it through and pull it all the way out the cable pouch opening. You may need to twist the cable in order to get it to bend or curve the way you want. Now make 2.5 loops in the cable. Again, twist the cable as needed while creating the loops so they lay flat on top of each other. Feed the end of the cable down and out the bottom right side. Grab the loops and give them a little bit of a squeeze as you push them into the opening. Once they're in, the loops will pop back into a perfect circle. Feed the cable through the first loop like this, and you're ready to install the forehead strap. I'll start with the TycoTech 3D faceless system, available on Etsy. Locate the opening at the very front end of the black inner liner. This opening looks too small, but it will stretch as needed to allow even the widest part of the forehead pad to slide through. Tug, push, and pull until the pad exits the other side. The front edge of the gray mesh fabric should be even with the 2 pivot points. Install the brackets and click the forehead strap into place. Plug in the battery and your installation is complete. Now let's install the ANNAPRO strap. The provided bag will help prevent the end of the ANNAPRO from catching and tangling on the fabric as it passes through to the other side. Make sure you have the openings that attach to the audio straps facing forwards. The front edge of the gray mesh fabric should be about 1.5 inches back from the front edge of the ANNAPRO. Tug the bag on through and out the opposite side. Slide the ANNAPRO onto the audio straps, install the solo knit band, twist on the battery connection, and installation is complete. Whenever you put on or take off your Vision Pro, hold the battery end in one hand while holding the front of the Vision Pro with your other hand. The Diamond Balance was designed to be used with the solo knit band. Loosen the twist tightener all the way before putting it on. Now that your Vision Pro is balanced, the solo knit band isn't responsible for squeezing the Vision Pro tight to your face or forehead. Thanks again for choosing Diamond Balance. Go make yourself comfortable.